Now, if you're looking for high performance audio for your Harley-Davidson Road King motorcycle, we've got you covered. Harley-Davidson and Rockford Fosgate came together to ensure that these audio systems were designed rider-centric and specifically engineered for 2014 and later Road King models. With next-level sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity, minimal installation time, and all the while still maintaining that legendary look of your King. So, let's jump into this system. First, let's talk about power and performance. This purpose-built 2-channel amplifier produces amazing output, even with its small footprint. 125 watts per channel, 250 watts in total. A brand new feature is the Bluetooth amplifier connectivity. So no need for a head unit, no flashing the bike. You can just pair your phone directly to the amplifier and control your music, update the software, all right from your device. Now, as far as speaker location, you have a couple of different options depending on where you want to add the audio. If you choose the saddlebag option, the Stage 2 speakers are 5x7s. This solution keeps the classic lines of the Road King model, which is ideal for cruising the town. If you decide to go with front lowers or the Tour Pack carrier, they're 6.5 inches. Fairing lowers and a windshield on a Road King motorcycle will provide epic audio, even when logging long highway trips. Both options are rated to handle 125 watts of power and feature all of the same technology. We also engineered the speakers specifically for left and right applications, so they're always pointed directly at you while you ride, which makes sure the audio is hitting right where it needs to. These systems were also designed element ready, so they're engineered to perform no matter the weather conditions. The bottom line is you want to hear your audio over your motorcycle, road noise, and exhaust, all while wearing a helmet. These Road King audio systems will deliver that performance that you have always wanted.